Months after Fox 11's investigations helped put one sick puppy peddler behind bars, it seems two new ones have popped up.
Yeah, their victims accuse him of illegally selling sick and dying dogs, then going dark. Fox 11 tracked them down. Bill Malusian joins us live with a story you'll see on just one station. Bill.
Hey guys, here we go again, right?
Yeah.
Over the past couple of weeks, I've been literally bombarded with calls and emails from victims of these two brand new sick puppy peddlers. And all these victims essentially have the same story. Their dogs were sick or dead within just days of coming home. A warning for our viewers tonight. Some of what you're about to see is very hard to watch.
A young golden retriever suffers as he battles symptoms of the deadly parvovirus.
You okay?
A woman weeps as her Maltipoo puppy has multiple seizures and goes unresponsive. Little Olive never made it, and neither did little Ace. Every puppy you've just seen was dead within days of being illegally sold in public by these two women.
My name is Bill. I'm a reporter with Fox LA. Do you know why we're here today?
You know what? I don't have why to be.
Now they're being tracked down by Fox 11 and by their own customers.
He is skinny. This puppy needs hair.
Take the thing out of my house.
They're now on law enforcement's radar, and their victims are left heartbroken.
She was suffering, and then I just felt bad for her because we couldn't help her.
It's been 5 months since a series of Fox 11 investigations helped bring this notorious sick puppy peddler to justice.
Do you remember us, Gustavo? Do you remember all the lies you gave us last time?
After 2 years of reports and confrontations, Gustavo Gonzalez was arrested in June on dozens of felony animal cruelty charges. He has not yet entered a plea, but he's facing decades in prison. But now numerous victims are coming forward to Fox 11, alleging there are two new sick puppy peddlers working together in the Inland Empire. Police identify them as Vanessa Rodriguez and Alexis Hinojosa, and their customers accuse them of using fake names and different phone numbers to illegally sell sick and dying dogs, then disappear.
She doesn't care about any of the dogs.
High school senior Hannah Bowman tells me she made the mistake of buying from the women back in July.
I got my first work paycheck, so I put that towards a dog.
She saw one of their puppy ads online on Recycler and says she met Hinojosa, who was using the fake name Priscilla, at a park in Covina. There, she bought this Maltipoo puppy for $600. She named her Olive.
This is when the first day we had her.
But within days, Bowman says, Olive became lethargic and started throwing up late at night. And after a trip to the vet, she tested extremely positive for parvo.
They said that she was very tiny, so it was probably going to be very fatal.
And tragically, it was. Despite medicine and emptying out the wallet for Olive's vet bills, she began having seizures and died on Bowman's bed just 1 week after she was sold.
I couldn't hold her because it was too sad, but my friend did. He held her for me because I wish I could have, but I wasn't brave enough.
She told me she would send me pictures of the puppy's parents. She never did.
Carmen Lopez tells me after first texting back and forth with Rodriguez in response to an online ad in October, she and her brother later met Hinojosa in an El Monte parking lot, where they bought Cosita and Ace for a package deal of $1,000.
They just were sick from the get-go.
Lopez says both puppies were quickly vomiting, lethargic, couldn't eat, and had trouble standing. Then Cosita started having seizures.
You okay?
Ace had the same exact symptoms, and both were taken to the vet.
What did the vets say to you in terms of their health?
They were too little. They shouldn't have left the parents.
Cosita ended up passing away, despite Lopez's attempts to nurse her back to health. Ace ended up passing away as well.
She's just profiting off of sick puppies.
Elena Juarez tells me in October, her boyfriend met Hinojosa at an In-N-Out parking lot in Ontario, where he bought her this golden retriever puppy for $600.
When he took him to the vet, the vet tested him for parvo, and he tested positive.
Furious, Juarez and her boyfriend's family set up a sting on Hinojosa, who showed up with another golden retriever puppy thinking she was making another sale.
You know that's illegal to be selling sick puppies?
You don't want my selling sick dogs, okay?
We got you on video. I'm not a vet, but this other puppy's in danger too.
No, I can show you vet right here.
Hinojosa then tries to take the puppy out of Elena's arms, but she gets stopped.
He's skinny. He is skinny. This puppy needs hair.
Take the thing out of my house.
Hinojosa drives away, leaving behind the sickly golden retriever puppy. It already had a bacterial infection on its groin area, and Juarez says it was also later diagnosed with parvo. This heart-wrenching video shows the puppy in the process of trying to vomit, but nothing was left in its little stomach.
I tried to keep him hydrated with Pedialyte, but he kept throwing it up.
That puppy died just 3 days after being left at that In-N-Out parking lot. When Fox 11 saw one of the women's ads posted online in mid-November, we decided to respond as interested buyers.
What's your name?
Vanessa.
Vanessa.
Ingrid,
Nice to
Vanessa.
meet you. Ingrid. Hi, Ingrid.
Hinojosa and Rodriguez both showed up in a white Mercedes to meet us at a Starbucks parking lot in Fontana. They gave us the fake name Ingrid, and Rodriguez brought out 2 underage puppies she thought she'd be selling us.
They will grow up to 5 to 7 pounds, fully grown.
Keep in mind, under California law, it's illegal to sell puppies in a public place like this. It's also illegal to sell a puppy under 8 weeks of age.
God, how old are they? They're 7 weeks old.
And because these puppies are too young, they don't have their vaccinations.
We were gonna do shots, but they told us to wait at 8 weeks.
After Rodriguez admits to blatantly breaking the law, we decided to move in and introduce ourselves.
How's it going?
Hi, how are you?
My name's Bill. I'm a reporter with Fox LA. Do you know why we're here today?
You know what? I don't have why to be.
I know your name's not Ingrid, by the way. How's it going, Vanessa? You want to tell us what you're doing today? Anything you want to say to your customers, Vanessa? Illegal to sell sick and dying dogs, Vanessa.
The duo gets camera shy. They leave us in the dust. And if you didn't notice, that was Hinojosa sitting in the passenger seat, turning away and hiding her face.
Dang, she took off quick.
Victims of the accused sick puppy peddlers were stunned when we showed them video of the confrontation.
It's very frustrating. Dude, you would think you'd learn from the first time, but she's over here doing it again.
I'm so angry because why are they still doing it?
Less than an hour after the sting, animal control showed up at the Fontana home Hinojosa and Rodriguez live at. There was no answer when they knocked, so officers left this urgent notice of possible violations at the door. Now the victims of these accused sick puppy peddlers are out hundreds, even thousands of dollars in vet bills. But even more importantly, they've all lost a piece of their hearts, and they want justice.
They should both get some jail time.
She needs to stop doing what she's doing. Puppies, they're innocent.
And Fontana PD tells me the women never responded to the notice they left on their door. We can, however, confirm law enforcement is on this case. They know about these allegations. And in a very brief statement, the Humane Society of San Bernardino Valley tells me, quote, "We are aware of an ongoing investigation and cannot comment at this time," end quote. Guys, just as heartbreaking as the last stories we did.
Yeah, hopefully there'll be justice for this one too. Bill Malusian, thank you.